Security system armed.
This one job I did, I almost had a big payday, man. It was a big house, had a nice car in the front. I snuck through the front yard like a garden snake.
Then I heard something that sounded like a pit bull or Doberman. Then I jumped the fence like Jackie Chan.
I jimmied open the door with my trusty Lucille. Yeah, I know what you're thinking. I came up with that first. Trust me.
My dang eye! Ouch, my biscuits!
Hello, we see an alarm was triggered?
Yes, I think I heard something coming from the back of the house.
Okay, we're dispatching police to you right away.
Overall, besides the alarm going off, I think it went pretty good.
The OSI Smart Alarm System Gen 2. Smart security that stops the smart and occasionally the not-so-smart ones too. Try 6 months of free 24/7 professional monitoring by entering code FREE6MON.
My back. It doesn't feel so good.